Light snow, temperatures plummeting, negatives ahead several times in the extended forecast. Right now, a little bit of snow moving on out of the thumb. Northern counties continuing to get a little bit of it. Let's first zoom into the thumb. You see a little bit just to the south of Forestville. Up to the north, you're looking at Sable, Harrisville, and also over towards Mile. That's got a little bit. That's going to be it for the morning. And then as we get into the afternoon, the rest of the snow returns. Still looking at up to an inch. That's the max. Temperatures across the area really within a couple of degrees of each other. You're looking at 21 for some of the highest and then 19 for the lowest. Not too bad. Wind chills, a lot cooler. 10-degree difference down in Sandusky. You got 6 in Bad Axe right now, 9 in Taos for the wind chills. So they are a little chilly. Now for today. Highs are going to be a little warmer than where we've been. We're looking at 31 degrees for your high. Again, up to that inch of snowfall, but mainly going to be less than that. Roads could be a little slick, though, later on today. 31 degrees for your high, Tri-Cities and into the thumb. Light snow again, up to that inch. We're talking about the evening commute being potentially a little slick. My hope, though, is that with these temperatures and with, obviously, the crews that'll probably be throwing some salt out on the roadways, it's in the perfect range to melt all that down. So hopefully it's just going to be some wet roadways. 30 degrees for the northern counties for your high. Again, very mild. 8 degrees for your low overnight tonight. That's not. Mostly cloudy skies, brisk and colder. 10 to 15 out of the northwest brings this temperature, the wind chills, down into the negative single digits. And then for the future cast, here's what we're looking at for the snow. It moves on in and it continues to be in that line that you saw there for about until 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Then it moves out. Snowfall totals, though, compared to last year, you're looking at nearly, or just under, a 30-inch difference for the Flint area, and we're getting a little closer to the Saginaw total from last year to this date. So Flint got blasted with a couple of those big storms. Luckily, not so much this year. Now, as we get into the next 7 days, we add a little bit more to that total, looking at Friday night going into Saturday morning, and then a little bit more snow again on Tuesday. But overall, it's -6 Friday morning. That is going to be very cold. We'll have to watch to see how low wind chills go there. Could potentially get wind chills down to -20 on Friday morning and possibly again on Monday morning. Those could be 2 days. We're going to have to see what happens with those. Joel?